Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix or download shortcuts not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I would request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So you have checked the R download shortcuts on Instagram app. So you have opened the Instagram app, then you have wait a few seconds, click on reels. So you have checked the Instagram apps on our download shortcuts is working proper or not working. So you have any reels from here download, so you have click on share to scroll up, then you have click on our download. Click on our download while he is video you want to download on your iPhone and gallery. So wait a few seconds, this you show you how to download the R download shortcuts working on my iPhone. And so this pass to fix the R download shortcuts is not working while on your iPhone. Wait a few seconds, then R download shortcuts is working proper on my iPhone. So then you have seen this video is download and processing on my iPhone. Wait a few seconds, then video is automatically is download on my iPhone. Wait a few seconds, so you have seen the iPhone Instagram reels is download completely, and this time I will see the iPhone gallery is download or not download, or open the photos. So you have seen the iPhone gallery is download same video from Instagram. So how to download the or download shortcuts on iPhone? So you have open the Safari browsers on your iPhone. So search the theme points. You have click on first link theme points. Click here, wait a few seconds. So then you have click on three dots. Click on three dots, click on iOS shortcuts. Wait a few seconds, close this ad. Click on iOS shortcuts, scroll up, and you have click on seen the iOS shortcuts all download media. Click here, scroll up, then you have seen the R download shortcuts. R download downloader. Install the shortcuts on your iPhone. Open the shortcuts app. You have must be install the shortcuts app on your iPhone while you have used the R download shortcuts, or any shortcuts you have downloaded on iPhone must be install the shortcuts app. Wait a few seconds, he is loading setup by shortcuts next, and then add shortcuts. I have already downloaded our download, so I will would you like to replace? I have already used, then I will go the replace options, click here, click on my iOS shortcuts, click here. So he is download setup on your iPhone. First option you have allow from here, then you have close this ad, then he is automatic done and working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, this best to download the R download shortcuts on your iPhone. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.